Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have admin rights, so start quickly. Press Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the elevated window appears, make sure the prompt shows Administrator, Command Prompt. You need an elevated shell to change boot options. Without it, changes won't apply. If you see a User Account Control dialog, accept it. Now you're ready to modify the boot configuration to disable safe mode using a single bcdedit command. You will type the command bcdedit / to let a value current safe boot and press Enter. This removes the safe boot option from the current boot entry. If your system uses a different identifier, replace current with default or the GUID shown by bcdedit / enum. You may see the operation completed successfully. That confirms removal. If bcdedit returns an access denied error, double-check you launched command prompt as administrator and try again. Keep the window open to run an optional reboot command. After removing safe boot, restart the PC with shutdown /r/t0 or via the start menu. This applies changes immediately. If the machine still starts in safe mode, open admin command prompt again and run bcdedit / enum to review boot entries. Look for any remaining safe boot values and delete them. Make sure msconfig's boot tab doesn't have safe boot checked. Uncheck it if present and restart. Key troubleshooting tip. If changes fail, confirm you used an elevated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.